Okay, Bismillah. This is a summary of lesson 1. Al-Jumlatul Ismiyatu, or the nominal sentence. First of all, let's look at English. We have two sentences here. We have Muhammad is a student and Hamid is sick. So in these two examples, Muhammad is the subject, and in this one, Hamid is the subject. So a subject is a thing that is being talked about. So what is being said about Muhammad and about Hamid is these two predicates, is a student and is sick. So Muhammad is a student and Hamid is sick. Now both of these two sentences are examples of nominal sentences. So as you know, in Arabic we have two types of sentences. We have the nominal sentence, Al-Jumlatul Ismiyatu, and a verbal sentence, Al-Jumlatul Fi'liyatu. Medina Book 1 covers the nominal sentence, so this is what we will concentrate on. Al-Jumlatul Fi'liya, or the verbal sentence, will be covered in the following book. So let's go through the examples. We have Zayd is learned, or Zaydun alimun. So Zaydun is the mubtada, or the subject, and what is being said about Zayd is that he is learned. Similarly, we have Fatima too. What about her? Alimatun. She is learned. Now we haven't covered feminine names, but one point to note about the mubtada and the khabar is that they match in gender. So if the mubtada is feminine, the khabar is also feminine, and if it's masculine, then the khabar is masculine. That's just one point to know. Next we have Al-Waladu Dhakiyun. The boy is intelligent. So obviously Al-Waladu is Al-Mubtada and Dhakiyun is the khabar, and Al-Bintu Jamilatun. Same thing, Mubtada, Al-Bintu, and Jamilatun the khabar. So just to repeat, in a nominal sentence, the subject is known as Al-Mubtada and the predicate is Al-Khabar. And these are terms that you should memorize from the beginning as much as you can. So we know that the Mubtada is most of the time definite. So if you look at the first two examples, we have Zaydun and Fatimatu, which are proper names, and all proper names are definite. The next two examples are words that begin with al, alif lam, al-waladu and al-bintu, and this al is for definiteness, and so they are definite as well. And also the khabar most of the time is indefinite. So if we look at the endings, they all end in tanween, the two dhammas. So as you can see, they've all got tanween. That means they are indefinite. And usually the khabar, or the predicate, is indefinite. One other thing to note is that the mubtada and the khabar, both of them, are marfu', meaning they end in a dhamma or two dhammas, which is tanween. Also, the name tanween means ending in two dhammas, two fathas, or two kasras. So that's what tanween means, but in this case it means two dhammas. So two dhammas, or you can write it like that, depending on the way you want to do it. So there was one question that was asked, and that was names that actually have al in the beginning, proper nouns that have al in the beginning. For example, you say al Hasan. Al Hasanu, or Al Hasan. That's a name of a person. Now, why is there an al in the beginning? Well, this al actually is not for definiteness, because as we know, all proper names are definite. So when you say, for example, Al-Hasan, Al-Hussein, Al-Qahira, Cairo, As-Sin, China, This al is not for definiteness, because all proper names are definite. What type of al is it? That's to be explained in future lessons, inshallah. But just to know that if you see a name that has al, it's not for definiteness. So, inshallah, if you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer them for you. I'll leave it at that, inshallah. So you can go now to lesson 2.